What's up, baby?
Way, stunt coordinator.
What's up, baby? All good.
Happy birthday.
Hey, thank you,
Ready
thank
to
you.
jump out of a helicopter?
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Good. Awesome. First, I'm going to have you get checked out by Dr. Stanford.
Yep.
You can check all your vitals, okay?
Yep, absolutely.
Come with me. Here, Doc.
Hey, hey. How you doing? All right.
Dr. Stanford.
Willard, Carol
Yep.
Smith. How you
Do I
doing?
need to take this off?
Yeah, would you like to?
Well, it's mic'd, so
Yes. You could keep it.
keep it
So
on?
first, you can keep it on.
Okay.
So first, I'm going to measure your oxygen saturation.
Yeah.
We're 7,000 feet above sea level, and you're going to go up close to another 1,000.
Yeah.
Want to make sure the oxygen in your blood is good, all right?
Okay.
So we'll start with that. Just rest it. Then I'm going to take your blood pressure. Make sure you get all the blood you need to your heart, to your brain. We don't want no dizziness. You are on point. All right? So we're good there. Get this going. Feeling good.
You want my arm?
Yeah. Take your time. Safety is important. Make sure we're great. Take this out. There it is.
Little
what?
little shook. I got a little shakiness. I got a little, you know.
Normal.
Completely normal.
Completely normal.
Yes,
That is a natural
exactly.
physiologic response.
Yes.
If you were not nervous,
Yeah.
I would be concerned about you. You want to put your jacket back
Yep,
on?
let's
All
get it.
right.
Ah.
So listen, in all
Yep.
the years,
Jesus.
you're good. You're good. We just want to stand here for a minute.
Yeah.
Want to zip it up? In all the years that I've known you, you are mentally, physically, and spiritually ready to do this. So enjoy the moment.
Just have fun.
Have fun. It's your day.
Jumping backwards out of a helicopter.
That's
over the
right.
Grand Canyon.
That's right.
All right.
Never better. All right.
Thank you. Okay. All
Doc,
right.
we have a green
Yes.
light.
Yep.
Green light.
Walk
All
with me,
right.
Will. You remember?
All right.
You remember Quinn?
That's my dude. That's my dude.
Have fun, man.
All right. All
Come here.
right.
This is Mackenzie, our
Mackenzie,
consultant.
I'm Mackenzie. Yep, ready.
All right, we're gonna pop off the microphone that you're wearing right now so
Yeah.
we can get one on the outside of your harness.
Yeah.
We're gonna get you set up in 2 harnesses. We'll use this seat harness and a chest harness. The combination will keep you safer with redundancy,
Yep.
and it'll be more comfortable. When you're done, you'll be basically in a seated position, hanging at the end of the cords.
Love it.
I'm gonna grab this piece of tape off the back.
Yo, yeah, please.
Twisted. There we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and step into this, kind of like a pair of pants.
Oh, sorry.
Perfect. Right through there. Stellar.
You know, as it draws nearer,
All right, go ahead and hold that against your belly button. Pull that right against your belly button. I'm gonna tighten
Yeah.
this down, okay?
Oh, man. And I'm just realizing this is the first time I'm going to be standing outside of a helicopter. Yeah, I've never done that before, so that should be
I'm gonna
fun.
go ahead and tighten down these leg loops, okay?
you know, Will, one quitter, we can all go home. You
I know, right?
You ready? You snug? You good? You safe?
Should it be more snug? How should it be?
No, they'll do it. I just want to make sure
We're gonna pop
you're
this on kind of
situated.
like a
junk
vest,
smashing.
all right?
You're
So this one
situated.
arm through
Perfect.
there,
Yeah.
We'll bring this around.
this one right through there.
Yeah, okay. My little stunt brassiere.
To the back. Excellent.
Okay, let's do the sound.
Got
Sound
a
bag?
different
Felt? Sound bag?
microphone.
And then he's gonna run some mics to you.
Replacement microphone and IFP.
And we're
That's
gonna
gonna
have
need
this
to go underneath this.
below this.
Okay.
Below the safety harness.
Right in there.
It goes in that inside, thank you. I'm just gonna wire these up through the harness.
Mackenzie, can you put a half hitch on those leg straps once they're cinched up, please?
You good? Yeah. Too tight?
And here's
That's good.
Okay, good.
It's a little more snug if it needs to.
That's good. Good.
And Mackenzie, flip that. Yep. Nope.
Don't try this at
you're
home,
right.
kids.
Never mind. I'm sorry.
Go above.
Yep.
Yeah, above the harness. Go ahead and hold that right there for just a second.
You gonna tape it?
Grab the orange tape.
What was that? I can't hear what you're saying. The helicopter's too loud.
Well, happy birthday.
I know.
By the way.
You're looking,
Yeah,
Oh, good.
looking
man.
darn good for 50, man.
We're having fun.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you. Say again. Okay, I think I can hear you.
Will you hand me the?
Pop the
Which one would
camera.
you like?
To put his IFB back
you.
this year.
Let me
Oh, he
try to
just put
right
it in.
this.
Okay, cool. I couldn't hear with the helicopter.
Fingers are loose. Any chance those go
Not cutting off circulation, am I?
No, not at all.
And it's on.
Do you need more IFB or are you okay?
Yeah, you can turn it up a little bit more. There we go.
All right.
Good.
All right, so
You good?
it's not. All right, we're good.
Selfie. Okay, ready?
All right.
Let's hook up the harness or the bungee.
Attached to the bungees.
How tight are your
Casey,
tensions?
hop in here.
Yep, yep. Are the orange pads?
Loose shoes,
Loose shoes, you don't
Get
want
that down.
make sure they're tight enough.
Come back there.
Check. Lock check. Secondary check.
Snug up that
Somebody can
strap.
just swing them up a little bit. You can swing
Squeeze check, lock check.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and.
Yes.
Is it rolling?
They handed it rolling supposedly.
Okay. Did we check?
Not a bad thing.
get to the bottom and the green band back up, the shoe came off. Slipped up, caught it.
Hey, so we did to our dummy, right?
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh man. Oh.
This is part of the build-up.
He's recovering.
Check, lock check, second checks.
Squeeze check, lock check. We're all about redundancy.
All right, and I'm just gonna throw a little tuck in these so that they're not flapping around all over the place.
So Will, my daughter, doing that, working with you, I appreciate in your world, in your life, you've included your family. It's
Oh
really
yeah,
cool.
for sure.
Really cool.
No, that's my center right there.
Okay,
Makes
so
it
we're
all
connected?
fun.
Yeah, we're gonna do
Okay,
final systems
let's
check.
do final systems check, and then we'll do a walkthrough of
Perfect.
the safety standards.
Sounds
Okay.
good. All right, first systems check.
Yeah.
Leg check. Leg check. Waist is backed up. Waist is backed up. The Velcro is secured. Squeeze check, lock check. Squeeze check, lock check. We're backed up 1 and 2. Chest harness.
Final systems check. Leg check. Leg check. Waist is backed up. Waist is backed up. Squeeze check, lock check. Squeeze check, lock check. Chest backed up 1 and 2. And again, nothing's getting pinched, right? We're all
Nothing's
good.
getting pinched, yeah.
Gort. Great.
All right, so in just a moment, we are going to have you step up here. From the point that you step up here, Ken and Danny are going to take care of you. Ken is going to be managing your personal safety lines so that you don't fall out of the helicopter too early or anything. Danny's going to be over here managing the bungees. You're going to be standing right here on the skid.
Yep.
You got a handle over here that you can use.
Yep.
Please use it to feel stable the whole way up. Please don't keep trying to hold on to it once it's time
What's
to jump.
it's time to let go?
When it is time to jump,
Yeah.
the only person you need to be paying attention to is Danny counting you down from
Right there.
5.
5,
He's going to count
4,
you down,
3.
and then you are blasting backwards, jumping
Blasting?
away from the helicopter,
Yes,
all right?
yes.
And you're looking up at the helicopter the whole time. If you remember none of the other instructions,
Just get
remember
away
to
f-
get away,
get
from,
away
the
from the
helicopter
helicopter.
and keep looking
And
up.
keep-
That's
keep
going to
looking
keep
up.
the cords out of your face.
Get away from the helicopter and keep looking up.
Yep.
Roger.
All right.
Yep.
Ready?
You ready?
Okay, let's do this. Let's
do
get him
it.
on the skid.
Yeah.
Let's just step
Yeah.
up right on here.
I need to grab this cord.
Ken?
Yeah, take that. All right, I'm going to hook you up here, Will. And
know.
before I do that,
Yep.
is there anything you wish to confess?
Oh man.
Okay, we're locked in.
Exactly.
Ken, we're locked in. We're good.
You're
Okay.
locked in. You got the hold,
Yep.
hold both of
You got the
those.
bungee.
Do now.
Okay.
Okay.
So Will, once again, the Lipton iced tea plunge.
Right to a bed.
Lipton
Right to a bed.
into a bed.
Great. That's
Have
awesome.
fun with it.
Ken, you good?
We're good.
Tim, you good?
Set.
Ron, camera's good?
So we're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're on go. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ken,
1,
you're good?
go.
You're locked in?
Locked
Okay,
in.
guys, let's
Just
back up. We're
just
ready
get
to
it
go.
right.
Okay, just relax. You'll be fine. You'll be
Yeah.
no worries.
Well, just remember, This is fun.
It's fun. Exactly.
We're having fun here.
Exactly.
Clip, we're good?
Okay.
James, it's yours.
Okay, you guys got
Oh. Oh.
Hey guys, you want to give you a quick reminder on the range?
it. Good for Casey.
Zipper.
I'm ready.
And you find that little end in the
James, you're good.
Relax.
It's all you.
Take that lanyard. Once
Adam,
you get the
let's
lanyard,
come back over here.
pull it out to your side, bring it all away from you before you drop it.
Away.
Bring it
Yep.
out away from you.
We're good.
go
Get in
ahead.
place. We're good.
Start.
And
We're
as we
lifting
go,
up.
It's going to vibrate. It's going to shake a little
Quick.
bit.
Yeah.
You got your handle here.
Yep.
When you're ready to go and you
can
put your
stay
hand to the side, don't think about anything. Once we
Yep.
start the countdown, just commit to it.
Commit to it.
If your feet come off or slip, that's when you could get hurt. If you don't commit to it, that's where it becomes a problem.
Got to commit.
Once it's the countdown, you know you're doing it.
You're doing it,
having
yeah,
a good
just
time.
commit.
We're here for you. We
Yeah.
want to see you smile and have a good time.
Yeah.
And when you push off and you're looking me in the eyes, I want to see the smile.
Yep.
This is one of the lines out here. So you're enjoying yourself,
Yeah.
right? You're having a good time?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Right. We're going all the way, buddy.
Going all the way.
Lamar can do it.
Yep.
You can do it.
Give me another check here. Coming in really weak and a little bit broken. James, give me a check. I got your bye.
The skin's going to come forward a little bit and go down. Yeah, make sure your foot is securely on.
Much better. Brad, how do you copy? Brad, you copy? Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Yo.
Okay, we're at 61.
He's looking good. He's looking like he's
Yo.
again, 150 maybe good above the LT.
That.
Okay, wait, we're moving.
Yo.
Yeah, he knows when he's
How do you feel right now? You watch the dad jump.
That. This is almost.
still at 150 to 200 above the LT.
This is some of the most beautiful stuff I've ever seen in my life. This is gorgeous.
Notably happening. Oscillations are
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Wow. Where's the mic? Where's the mic? Who has the mic?
looking really good.
I got the mic.
Still 100 feet now. 100 feet. Looks like he's coming in. 90 feet. I wouldn't come in too low yet. 90 feet. I'd keep it there as you're moving in. 90 feet.
All right,
90
Willow,
feet.
how do you feel? Your dad just jumped. He's
Yeah,
now hanging out over the Grand
Wow.
Canyon.
Oh my God!
Wow.
This is so beautiful.
Okay.
I'm so happy that he's safe.
Goes from
and that
pure
he's
terror.
elated, 'cause I can see him
From
so happy
pure
up there.
terror
Just, he's
to
such a
absolute
huge,
bliss.
huge, barrier. But that is just so frightening. But he did it.
I'm ready for them to put my ass down, though. I
So
can tell you
just
that
so that
much.
we're all aware, this is that time now where bringing him back down, there's actually still danger there's
Yeah.
left, right?
Trying to get him to
Because he's on a bungee, every time the helicopter moves a foot or two, it reacts with Will. Will is going to continue bouncing up and down. So he's got the thing in his hand. He's going to throw that down to the lady down below so that they can actually bring him in and keep the bungee from going up and down. This is a very serious moment because that helicopter is over the Grand Canyon. So if you have an updraft, that can actually lift the helicopter up, which would make Will go down first and then spring up really high. So it's really important that they drop him down. Okay, now this is the moment. They've got to jump on him right away and get him disconnected to that bungee and try to hold on. All right, I think we're all going to walk.
That shit is terrible.
They're disconnected right now. As soon as they get him disconnected, then that helicopter will get out of the way and they will slide Will over to an area where he's completely safe.
Yo, that shit, it goes
And the bungee itself.
absolute terror to the most exhilarating thing.
Move with that helicopter. So they're moving him over to safety. He's doing a great job. This is pretty epic.
That was spectacular.
He's going to come over and talk to the therapist to make sure, or doctor to make sure that he is absolutely okay, that his brain is all right, he's feeling good. Based on his arm movements, I think it feels pretty clear that he is obviously feeling pretty good about this and feels very solid.
Breathe. So you got a little bounce in your step?
I know, right?
Your name is?
Will Smith,
Your date of birth?
9/25/68.
Where are you?
I am at the Grand Canyon and I just heli bungee.
All right. Is this day significant for some reason?
Yeah, shawty, it's my birthday.
Hey!
We're good?
All right.
All right.
All right.
Yo.
All right.
Well, come say hello to your family.
Listen, nothing will ever be scarier than that. It goes from complete, absolute terror to the most magnificent bliss you've ever felt in your life. Like, and I don't know what it is. When the cord works, first of all, you happy the cord works, right? Then it's like the whole Grand Canyon is mine. I'm just kind of hanging there, and the chopper's far away, and you're not really hearing it. It's like just bliss, and it's like nobody will ever have that view. It's like me and the Grand Canyon. It's like that combination. It's almost like you need the terror to experience the bliss. All right? It's like almost like in life you need pain to experience pleasure. The pain is what you use to you know, the measure against it. But it's spectacular. It's spectacular. It's spectacular. I would definitely do it again. It's spectacular. Huh?
Your hands are shaking.
Yo. I'm shaking. I feel stable.
There you go.
And I was sitting there with Cherie. I have to tell you, this was a really spiritual moment for me because the two of us having carried life for you, and then you being in such a dire situation, like life and death, and then the two of us together like that, and watching that, and just being there, emotionally supporting each other, just like, okay, let's cover this dude. You know what I mean? It was really a powerful experience. I mean, I know I was giving you crap about doing this, but that was a very spiritual moment, and just I saw the moment that you were determined. I saw the moment that you clicked. You were like, I'm ready to do this. You know what I'm saying? And then when you dropped, and I just saw that freedom.
Yes.
And I looked at Rhea and I said, we ain't gonna be able to tell this joker nothing. I said, it's over. I said, Rhea, it's over. It's done. We ain't gonna, but yo.
The freedom, yo.
That was so inspirational. That was gangster. That was gangster.
I thought I'd never see you again.
Well, how do you feel?
Like on fire. I can do anything. I can do anything.
Well, let's go on up. Let's go on up to the rest of the family.
Yeah, let's go. Yes. Mama. Yo, it is spectacular. That's her baby.
You are my baby. I'm Captain 50. You mama's baby. How do you feel, mama? How does that make you feel? Peaceful.
Wow. Y'all just made peace with it.
And I think it was just the whole.
You can just feel God is here.
Yes. And I thought I was going to be really apprehensive, and then after I said. But it was calming and peaceful, and here you go doing this and waving.
I guess he's okay.
It's all good.
No, it was great.
Let's go celebrate your birthday. Let's go say hello to the rest of the family.
Yeah, son.
Let's go say hello to the rest of the family. We're doing a team.
Right. All right. Chuck.
I think we're gonna do the.
Dude.
We gotta go here. Let's go here.
Charlie.
What do you want to say to all the fans out here that obviously watch? What is the ultimate message, and what did you get out of this, and what can you say to your fans?
You know, I'm not going to be able to articulate it thoroughly right now, but there's a real relationship between freedom and joy. There's an idea bubbling in my mind, like fear as a cage, right? Fear actually traps you, right? So it's like, you know, my father passed a little over a year ago, and there's something about the confrontation with death that makes you love life more freely, you know? So it's like the freedom to just be and do who and what you are is absolutely exhilarating, you know?
That's great.
Like, hey!
Let's go and say hello to a Yes Theory.
Happy birthday,
man. The guys who started all this.
I know, dude.
Happy birthday, man.
Dude.
Without you, this would not have happened.
Thank you guys.
It would not have happened, and
Yeah,
I think we all want to sing a little something for you, right?
Yeah.
Is it time?
Is it time?
Is it time? All right, so here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Will. Happy birthday to you.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
All right.
Yes,
All
my
right.
dog.
So let's get Jada and the kids up here as fast as possible. Let's come on up here, guys. I think let's take a look. Let's walk over here.
Oh,
and
wait,
take a look
we gotta
at
get
the
playback?
replay. Let's
I get playback.
You get to see.
I get
and
playback.
experience what you went through. Let's just see this. Is Jada and the kid?
They're coming right
They're coming. They're coming.
Oh, yo. Oh. Right about here, it's terrible. It's all terrible right here. It's all terrible. And then right about there. Oh, yeah. Yo. Yo. Oh, and then you disappear.
Right.
Yeah, that's a bad look.
Look right. And then
Wow.
here we go. Here we go again.
Yo.
As your son, seeing you come out of the Grand Canyon like this, flying, you went under and we were like, what happened?
What
We
happened?
couldn't see. And then all of a sudden, you just conquered life in this way.
A superhero.
Yes. How do you feel about it after looking at it?
Dude, and it's bad because I just realized what I was supposed to say when I jumped. Hillary will you marry me? I just thought about it. I said, no, that's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. That didn't happen. Yo, play it again. I want to see it again. Can we play it again? Yo, the commitment hurts bad.
Here we go. That's the look on your face. And go. Yes. Yes.
Yo, you did a flag.
Yeah.
All right. Will, do you have any final thoughts, Will?
You know, the commitment is real. The commitment is real. Yeah. And then to disappear, but for a long time. You disappear for a long time. And then...
And there he goes.
Even in real life, it was like...
Yo.
That's crazy.
It would be that spiritual.
Yo.
That's great.
Wow.
Final thoughts, Will.
You know, it's really hard to gather my thoughts. I'll post something real soon. But no, it's like commitment, man. It's like life is hard, right? Like, yeah, you might get hurt. It's like, you know, your heart might get broken, you know? It's like you might lose your job, but you still gotta commit, you know? You gotta commit, right? You know what I mean? And it's like, you know, you meet somebody and hey, you know, you like her and she likes you and you're hesitating. Don't hesitate, go. Commit. You gotta commit. You know, you might get hurt, you might lose something, but it's like you can't experience the joy that is intended for you in life if you don't go. You gotta go, man.
And you went.
Yeah.
And you went all the way.
Man.
Super proud. Trey, you happy?
Dude.
Oh my God. Happy? Willow, you're happy?
Yes, 100%.
Jada?
I'm so freaking happy.
Jaden?
You did it. You did it. We did it.
Yes, Theory?
Yes,
He said yes.
My guys.
All right.
My guys.
Nothing better than that.
Thank you for this, man.
Well,
thank you for this.
You know what? This was a great day. Will, happy 50th birthday. You set out on a challenge. You achieved your challenge. Your goals were set. This was amazing. I am incredibly proud of what you were able to do here today. And now we get to party for your birthday.
Yes,
okay?
Right. Yes, Shawty.
Yes, dearie. Yes, dearie.
Yes, dearie.
All right, let's get my final thoughts up there. We lost it. Well, what an incredible night. I still can't believe this man did it. One more time, I'd like to wish happy birthday to Will Smith. Happy 50th. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. He looked fear in the eye and did something amazing. We're all so proud of him. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Get off me. You better challenge my fears. Good night, everybody.
I said, oh shit.